Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to check the first question of stage 8 of the progression test style questions. This one says, expand the brackets, and it's giving us already an operation between a monomial and a binomial. Remember, when you don't have any symbol here, it means a multiplication. So that means we need to multiply this. In this one, we need to apply the distributive rule. If you have doubts about how to do different operations like this, check the video that I leave you in the description. It's about multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, so all we need to do is to multiply 5n with 9n. Okay, so 5 times 9 is 45, n times n is n to the square. And now we multiply the 5n times minus 3, which is minus 15n. Remember, we multiply the numbers, taking in account the sign, and then the variables, but the only one that has variable is this one, so it's just going to be minus 15n. So the answer would be 45n squared minus 15n. And that's it, you are going to get the mark. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me if you want, and drop any questions you have in the comments box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.